Hi everyone, it's DeLa doll and I'm going to be doing a Garnet from Steven Universe inspired makeup tutorial. I've already primed and put on my foundation, then topped that with some matte setting powder. Next up, I'm going to be using the matte pink shade Supreme from the Jackie Aina palette all over my eyelids. After that, I'm going to be using the shade D3 from the Norvina Volume 1 palette. As you can see, it's a very vibrant matte red, and I'm just applying that on my lid and going up into the crease. Now I'm going to top that with the shade Wiggleze from the Jackie palette. It's a shimmery red, and I'm just patting it onto the matte red that I just put down. Now I'm going to use some e.l.f. eyeshadow primer and apply it to the middle of my eyelids. Then I'm going to apply this glittery gold shade, Zam, all over that to create a gold halo effect. Now I'm going to go back in with some D3 and I'm applying that along my lower lash line because it looked too naked. Vibe check, not bad. Next I'm taking the shimmery purple shade Shookington and applying it above the crease, and then I'm going to use a clean fluffy brush to basically just blend everything out a little bit. Now I'm taking the shimmery champagne shade Soleil and applying that to my inner corners, a tiny bit of the way onto my lower lash line, and then on my brow bone right beneath my eyebrows. Vibe check volume 2. All of these colors are very Garnet, I think. Next up, I'm using some e.l.f. Stardust glittery eyeliner to create a cute little shimmer dots along my lower lash line. I use this product a lot, basically because I'm addicted to glitter and it looks really cool when the light hits it. I'm just dotting that along my lower lash line. After that, I'm going to do a nice wing with my all-time favorite eyeliner. It's the NYX That's the Point eyeliner in the style Super Sketchy. It's seriously the best eyeliner that I've ever owned. Now I'm going to use this very cool magnetic eyeliner from Eyelure. I'm applying 2 layers on each eye in the place where I want my magnetic lashes to go. I don't line my whole eye with this eyeliner because I've noticed that it does flake a bit, and I honestly just prefer the NYX eyeliner. While the magnetic liner is drying, I'm applying some e.l.f. 3-in-1 mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Then I'm basically just popping on my magnetic lashes. I believe these are the ones that came with the Eyelure magnetic eyeliner, and they're pretty long, so you can definitely see the difference between these and my natural lashes. I've also found that you can use pretty much any brand of magnetic lashes with this eyeliner, which is pretty cool. Now I'm just adding my other lash on so that I don't look crazy, and so that my eyelashes match. Eyes are looking pretty good, so now it's time to create Garnet's third eye. Going to be using my handy dandy NYX eyeliner pen again, and I'm just carefully drawing out the shape of the eye. Next, I'm going to fill it in using the white shade from this cream-based body paint palette that I got from Amazon. It's pretty affordable and it doesn't irritate my skin, which is very cool. And a little bit goes a long way, and the colors are very vibrant and saturated, which is always very nice and appreciated. And then for the colored part of her eye, I'm going to be using a matte purple shade from the Norvina Volume 1 palette. It's the shade B4. And I'm just tapping that pigment on with a small brush, slowly creating a circular purple base. Now I'm using the black from my cream paint palette to outline the edges of my purple iris and touch up the outline of my eye. Next up, I'm using this magenta shade to go in and add a little variation to my purple iris. Then I'm going to go in with some black liquid eyeliner and draw on the pupil. I believe the brand of the liquid eyeliner is e.l.f. Once that's done, I'm using some Ruby Kisses white eyeliner to create some highlights and little reflective shines in my eye to make it look a bit more realistic. And now I'm going to apply some clear Kiss eyelash glue on the top and bottom of my third eye. Then I'm just going to put some false eyelashes where I applied the glue. That way it looks even more realistic and has a cool 3D effect. Alright, cool, I have 3 eyes now. Next, I'm using the same e.l.f. blush palette that I've used in probably all of my videos because it's just my favorite blush palette. And of course, I'm just gonna apply some blush with it. I'm adding it to my cheeks, going up into my temples, and also a little bit on the tip of my nose. Now I'm gonna add the shimmery, like reddish toned NK highlighter to my cheekbones, my nose, and wherever else you see me apply it. Now I'm going to go over that red highlighter with this gold highlighter from ColourPop. It's one of their Super Shock products, so it has a really cool texture that's like a mix between a cream and a jelly. I'm just applying it with my fingers, and then I'm going to blend it out a little bit using both my fingers and a fluffy brush. Next, I'm applying this Wet n Wild lip product in the shade Capricorn, which is also my zodiac sign, by the way. Then I'm using this ColourPop glitter to add some sparkles to my lips, and I'm just going to dab that on with my finger so that I get these like big reflective galactic looking pieces there. And once the glitter is on, I'm going to be applying this NK lip gloss. It's one of my favorite brands of lip gloss because it's very, very like, I don't know, like I just said, it's very shiny and it's super thick. And I'm just applying that over top the glitter and the Capricorn shade that I already put on because it just makes a very cool effect. See, now I got shiny glitter lips. Very cool. Now I'm going to add a star freckle using this Starlit Studios body stamp because Garnet is basically like a space lesbian made up of 2 space lesbians, so it's just very on theme. Why wouldn't I add a star? See, it's super easy, cute little star, didn't have to draw anything out. Now that my makeup is pretty much done, I'm just going to dust my face with this e.l.f. HD powder and a big fluffy brush. It just makes your skin look extra good, so I like using it, and it doesn't mess up your makeup underneath. See, everything still looks good. Now I'm just doing a final makeup check to make sure everything looks decent. And then I am going to brush my big bushy eyebrows. I don't really do anything else to my eyebrows besides like shape and brush them most of the time because they're very thick and I don't want to jack them up. I'm just using a spoolie to do that. And then boom, I'm Garnet. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. All of the products used are listed in the description, as well as a cool discount code for 10% off of contact lenses from uniqueso.com. If you like this video and want to support me in exchange for early access to new videos, as well as some cool exclusive content, you can subscribe to me on Patreon for as little as $1. And that is pretty much it. As always, thanks for watching. Feel free to drop a comment and let me know what other characters and tutorials you'd like to see. Bye!